Okay guys, I'm out in the van. Guess what time it is? I'm getting started on cleaning out the van for another adventure coming up soon. So stay tuned, check out this video. We're gonna get her cleaned out. So I had an accident a couple months ago that I bought coconut sugar at Costco, and when I brought it out to the van, went to put it in the van, I didn't notice till I got home. I put it in the van, put all my groceries in, got home, and I had coconut sugar spilling out of the bag. I was able to catch most of it and then vacuum up the little bit that got out on the carpets. You know, I have all these different rugs and things. If you look back in my videos, you see all the different rugs, layers that I have. And luckily I do that because I was able to vacuum it up enough and on top and get it cleaned up enough to get by for a couple months before I started this clean out. I'll show you. So that whole area, I had some other layered rugs here, and there was a pile there. And I got most of it up, but I have to do more. Took up the layers, and now I'm going to do some more deep vacuuming with the shop vac. I want to move my bed this way. I'm not sure, but I really would like to move my bed further this way. But I still want to keep, I'm not sure. I'm deciding whether I want to turn it around and have a view out that way or not. I had it that way before. It was a little difficult for me to keep an eye on the dogs because I had to kind of twist around and look at them because they sleep up in the front in the passenger seat. But I kind of miss having it that way to have a view when I'm backed into a good spot. So I have to figure out if I can do it, if I can get some help. I could scoot it this way without changing the direction of my head, but by myself, because it's just scooting it and resetting it. But if I want to take it out and turn it around, I'm going to need some help. So I have to see if my grandson would be able to help. Let's turn my phone. I always forget to turn my phone this way to give you more of a view. So sorry about that. So yeah, so I've opened the back. I'm going to take some things out of the back. Right now I'm just starting the process because of my chronic health issues. I can't push myself too hard, or I won't be able to do anything else to take care of myself. So we're just getting some things started. If you notice, there's something missing. I took the kitchen out, and you'll see why later. So stay tuned to find out what's going to happen here. And let's get some things cleaned up. Let me see if maybe you could see there. There, you can kind of watch me from the back. I'm going to go to the back and get some things out. Okay, so I don't know how much of that you could see. The bed is in the way, but I cleared out the whole back, all the stuff I had back there, and I unhooked my net. I had two different nets, one that holds stuff and one that just holds stuff in the van. Okay, that's it. So I got that cleaned out, and that's all I can do because I'm exhausted already, and I don't want to have to pay for this for 2 days, so, which I might anyway. But I'll show you the mess I have now in the shed that I have to now cover with plastic because my shed leaks pretty bad, and I haven't gotten any help getting it fixed. So probably not till hopefully this spring and summer someone will help me fix it. So there is the it's like my van exploded in my shed again, like I said in the last year's clean out. I have to cover all that with some plastic. I think I'll just use this, and yeah, then I'll be done. This is my messy shed. So I got this all cleaned out, and that's the first step. And here is just part of the pile of stuff that's going in the house. I'm gonna wash these. These are the rug layers I was talking about. And there's some of the food I still had in the van. Stuff with shelf life. Bathroom stuff. And I'm gonna recover my potty box. That's just the outer box and lid. It no longer matches because my new something in the van, my new color scheme is going to be different. Stay tuned to find out why.